Out of the bowl, please.
Oh no!
It's okay. Is it yummy? Tupac would get it. No! Take it out of the bowl. Eat it out of the big bowl. Is it yummy? What? Oh, you clean up? Here, just lick it. Look, lick it with your finger. Mm-hmm. Is it yummy? Mommy will clean it. Good job. Would you please take it out of the big bowl? That one will definitely be yours. Oops. Mmm, yummy. Does it taste good? Baxter, does it taste good?
No. Oh no.
Hey, can you sing your song for me? Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle?
Twinkle way daddy, right the art of body, twinkle way daddy.
Yay! How about the turtle song?
We're turtle maintained, put the back half, great graces, chicken waters, and the soup,
Yay! How about happy birthday?
Happy children, happy children, happy children.
Good job. Look at how good you are. Cleaning up and singing at the same time.
Fires that we washing fires, cause of the drivers. Fires.
Good job. We got all the songs in there, didn't we? No. I think you've had about enough. Have you had enough cake? All done?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles? Those are raisins. We'll put sprinkles on later, okay? Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye, camera.
Bye, Cameron.
Can you say I?
Love you.
Good job.